How to generate a friend code in Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily generate a friend code on Score Hero. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open Score Hero game on your device, and from the home screen of Score Hero, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select Friends. Inside the Friends tab, click on Generate Code on the left, and you'll be able to create a code for yourself. A unique code will appear on the screen for a certain period of time. The code will then expire after the time that has been given over here. You can copy the code by tapping on the copy button, and the code will be copied to your device's clipboard. You can share this code with your friends so that they can add you in the game. So that's how you easily generate a friend code in Score Hero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.